Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will talk about new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. Here you can see this is a Redmi 5. You will get Android version 11 in this ROM. You can see this is the OS IP version 11 Ravioli OS. You will get November 5 security patch and latest build 5 December build is available in this ROM. Today we will review about this ROM, how is this ROM, how is the performance of this ROM, and what are the bugs in this ROM. Let's check. Here you can see the status it is permissive. Let's check the features of this ROM. You will get Android version, as I have told you that Android are latest Android version available in OSIP ROM. Let's talk about Wi-Fi. There is something error in the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is not working perfectly in our device, as I have told you that Wi-Fi does not work. Here you can see I have turned on the Wi-Fi, but it will not show you anything or any name, but it will show you after you reboot your device. This is the problem. It discontinues or disconnects automatically, or then it will say that error in Wi-Fi, you will not able to turn on the Wi-Fi, then you have to reboot your device. So there is the error in Wi-Fi or hotspot error is same as Wi-Fi. Here you can see this ROM lags. Here you can see error, Wi-Fi hotspot is not turning on. Until you do not turn off or restart your device, your Wi-Fi or hotspot will not work. After that, if you connect to other device, it will also after some time this will disconnect or not able to connect, then you will get the error. So there is a bug in Wi-Fi or hotspot. I have reflashed this ROM. I have flashed the clean ROM in my device, but it does not work. This case is the same problem again and again. So there is bug in the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Sorry, Wi-Fi and hotspot. Let's have the Bluetooth. Let's pair new device. Here you can see this is our device. Let's pair our device and check whether it works or not, and how fast it works. It disconnects automatically or not. From my side, I have tested this ROM, so Bluetooth does not disconnect. I will tell you about. I will connect it for at least 10 minutes or until the video ends. Here you can see you can easily pair the device. It connects easily, no problem in Bluetooth. You will get no problem in the Bluetooth. You can see Bluetooth icon is also working perfectly. Here you can see battery icon is also working. Let's check the features. Owl's Nest. Here you can see these are the features of this ROM. Here you can see this is the power menu option, but it is blank, fully blank. There is one option available. Here is the navigation. Here is the navigation. You can change the navigation to two buttons. Gestures, you can also use the gestures. It works perfectly. Vibration is also working perfectly in a navigation bar. Here is the navigation tuner. There is bug in the navigation tuner. When you change the layout, it will force stop. It will not change. Here you can see all the navigation tuner does not work. Gestures, here the gestures. Disable the torch. You can disable the torch. Here are the feature of the screen off power button torch. Let's check this feature. We have turned off the lock screen. Now let's check. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem in this feature. Here is the menu option available. You can change according to your use. Here is the volume rockers. You will get the volume rockers. It is totally blank. Here you can see all the features. Whether this is power menu, volume rockers. Some features are blank, just like there is no any setting available, animation available. In clean wipe also. Here is the quick settings. Here is the quick bar settings. Quick pull down is available from right side. You can switch from left side also. You can disable it. Show tile title. If you want to show the tile title, you can enable it. You can change the rows or columns. It works perfectly, no problem. Here is the themer. You can change the theme. Here you can see custom create. Let's create. Here is the font. I have already changed the font. Here is the icons, 4 icons available. Color, you can change the color also. Shape, you can change the shape, then you can apply easily. It works perfectly, no problem. Here are the wallpapers. You will get only one wallpaper available in our device. Here is the grid option. You can change the grid also. Here is the clock option. Clock option is also working perfectly. It's here you can see clock format is working perfectly, no problem in clock format. Here is a heads up display. Heads up is almost each and every features is blank, or you can see it does not work. You will get the blank page. Here is the recent applications. It is also blank. In Cleave, I have flashed it 2 times, but it is blank. Battery option. Here is the show battery percentage available in inside the icon. Battery style, portrait, circle, Text you can change according to your use, whichever you like. Here is the position of the clock center. You can switch to center, left, right according to your use. Auto hide, here is the auto hide clock also available. Clock seconds, here is the second clock. Here is the network indicator. You can enable the network indicator. Net is working perfectly in our device. Let me turn on, and volt is also working perfectly. No icon, but there is no icon, but it works perfectly. Here you can see volt is working. Upload and dynamic speed, you can change it from dynamic to upload to both. You can change the size also. Size is greater in my DP. There are the status bar icons. You can change according to your use. It works perfectly. Native control, here is the native control. Notification on lock screen, always on. See, here is the always on display. Let's check the always on display whether it works or not. Here you can see it works perfectly. Always on display works perfectly. AOD, there is no turn off in always on display. I have kept it for all day, you can say, but it drains a battery lot. You can enable it according to your use if you like the always on display feature. Wake on the wake screen for the notification working perfectly, no problem. Ambient wake is also working. Here is the weather option, but it is totally blank. General option, all the many of the features are blank in this ROM, or you can say it is in the beta testing. Here is the animation, here it is also blank. As you can see, general, if all the feature which I have told you is blank, if it works in your device, you can comment down below. Here is the general notification. Let's check the LED setting, it is also blank. Due to Android 11, all the features are many blanks. Here you can see battery performance of this ROM is good, not average. It is better than average. Here is the display. Let's check the display. Night light is also working perfectly, no problem in the night light. You can schedule according to your use. It works perfectly. Here is the brightness level. Brightness level is also working perfectly. Adaptive brightness is also working. You can see lock screen always on display is also available from here. You can change the font size also, 100% font size. You can increase or decrease according to your user. Small video, you can change the DP also. Display size, dark theme is the dark theme available in our ROM. Here is the dark gray color. Enable black theme, it is pure black available. Here is the theme option. You can change according to your user. And let's check the sound. Sound also working perfectly, no problem in the sound. Here you can see vibration is also working perfectly. In call vibration, everything is working perfectly. Touch sound is also working perfectly. 9.47 GB storage is available in our device. There is no files installed in my internal storage. Let's check the lock screen. There is no face unlock available in this ROM. You will get zero face unlock. You will get only the smart lock only. Let's check the speed of the fingerprint. Vibration working perfectly in fingerprint when we apply the fingerprint or we unlock our device using fingerprint. Let's check the speed. Tap, open. Speed of the fingerprint is good, better than average. Here you can see it works perfectly. Fingerprint speed is very fast, so you can for daily use I do not recommend, as there is some lag in our ROM, or many of the features are missing or just vanished. You have to flash the flame gaps. It is not included in our device. Let's set the Geo application in our device. Geo application is not working in our device, or you cannot use the banking apps in our device in this ROM, USIP ROM. Here you can see root device is detected in my Geo application, so Geo application will not work. Banking application will not work. Let's check the safety net whether it is passed or not. But it is failed. Safety net is failed in our device. Here you can see it is failed, so you cannot use the banking application. Let's check the device certification. Here you can see device is not certified. Our device is not certified, so there will be problem in using the banking applications. And vanished YouTube and vanished is YouTube vanished is installed in our ROM. Here you can see this is the vanished. Let me play the video. Here you can see here you can see it works perfectly, no problem in when vanished. Here you can see no need to flash any application or to use YouTube vanished. It is permanently installed in the device. So let's set the device info also. Here is the device info. 44 sensors available in our device. Here you can see. Let's check the system. Android 11, you will get Android 11 API level. 30 security patch November 5 November build date. Here is the build number USIP. Kernel 3.18 Bernil का. Here you can see. Root SSH में provided है. Root SSH provided in this ROM. Here you can see it is pre-rooted in our device पर needs to be installed. But root management application नहीं है इसमें, मतलब matches वगैरह. तो not supported seamless update treble this is Terable enabled device, or you can say this is the Terable enabled ROM. Here are the few applications I have installed: Geo Safety Net and Device Info. If you want to install this application, you can check the installation video in the description. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.